Hi there, I'm Kat Brogan, Managing Director of Mercat Tours, and delighted to say that we're ready to welcome you back to the Mercat Cross on the Royal Mile in Edinburgh for our 5-star tours once again. Our family business closed down to keep everybody safe, and during that period we've learned how to adapt and adjust to make sure that all our team and our visitors can be safe and feel safe on tour with us. Here we're going to share those messages and those measures so that you can be reassured that when you arrive at the Mercat Cross you're going to have the very best experience with us. Look forward to seeing you then.
Welcome to Mercat Tours. Throughout your tour, the tour guide will ensure that you're physically distanced throughout your experience. Our tour guides will be wearing our face shields. We've implemented the Tour Talk audio device. Now this is for you to hear clearly, to be able to socially distance, and for the guide not to have to project their voice too much. We will ask you, if possible, if you could bring your own earphones along. If not, we're happy to provide them, and also to bring along your own personal face mask. Our guides will also be carrying hand sanitizers should you feel at any point during the tour that you would wish your hands to be cleaned.
We can't wait to give you a warm welcome at the Mercat Cross here at the Royal Mile in Edinburgh, so make sure to get your tickets online at mercattours.com in advance, and we'll see you here very soon.